Hey y'all, so I want to do a special unboxing today. So as y'all know, I love Hard Night Good Morning's line from Deandra Simmons. She does an incredible line. It is practically professional skincare. It works really well, and it's great for just about every single skin type. So Deandra is very generous, and what she did for the holiday season is she did, you could add a free stocking stuffer to your order, which I thought was so kind of her. And it's a great way to get your loved ones a nice gift. You get a great quantity of good stuff inside. And she also did one for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna unbox both of them. Again, I like the packaging that is so professional and so sleek. So I'm gonna start with the Christmas one, and we're gonna see what you get inside of a Christmas stocking stuffer from Hard Night Good Morning. So inside here, you get a pink collagen lip mask. You get her signature eye cream and sample sizes of the exfoliating gel cleanser, as well as the hydrating cream cleanser, which is one of my favorite. These used to be the AM and PM cleanser, but the names were changed because you can technically use this all day if your skin is very sensitive. And inside of the Valentine's Day one, I can get this open. You get a red wine lip mask, which sounds really, really cool. You get a white hydrating lip mask. Don't know what that is. And you get 24K gold anti-aging lip mask, as well as a pink collagen lip mask. So it's a nice little series of all of them. So that is what's in your Valentine's Day stocking stuffer, as well as your Christmas time stocking stuffer from Hard Night Good Morning. I'm going to be trying all these soon, so stay tuned.